Uh, Alright friends, today I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda in your Linux system. So let's start. First, what we have to do is we have to type Anaconda in the Google search engine, and then you get an installation link from there. Just open this link on the separate window and then you can again open this link, hyperlink, on the separate window, and then you can download your installer from this link over there. So you can download installer, Anaconda installer, from the separate window. You just on the bottom you just download the installer. Just click on it and you can able to download your installer from there. Okay, and so I'm not able to download because I already installed my Anaconda. So you can just click on it and download. And then second thing is you have to open your Anaconda terminal, and then before you install your Anaconda, you just upgrade your system. So you just run the command, short command like sudo apt-get. You can use, by using this command you can upgrade your system first. Okay, you just enter it and then you can able to install able to upgrade your system. And then second thing is you can put your file extension like this. First you have to navigate your download folder. Like I just one second off, my computer is hanging over. Okay, download folder is now you are in download folder, and then you put your file extension name like Anaconda -2020.11 -linux -x 86 64.sh. okay, so after that you can enter this run this command. You can run this command and then you can follow these instructions. Okay, you can follow these instructions. Like these instructions is very important to download Anaconda correctly and successfully. So I'm not able to describe all these instructions, but you can follow these instructions accordingly, and I will put all the links in the description box, so you can directly open it and install your Anaconda. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.